Hey, my name is Tom. I'm a senior brand marketing manager here at Benchmade, and I'll run you through our cutlery collection real quick. So when you've been here last year, you're probably familiar with the station knife, which is our like one size fits all cutlery product. Perfect for like in the van, right next to the grill, like one size fits all. This year we got something new. We just released the Wild Coast as a separate individual product, but also like within a three-piece set. The new three-piece set comes with the Wild Coast, the Meat Crafter, and the all-new Perrin knife, which is this little mighty guy here, which helps you a lot maneuvering. Like pick that up. It's super light. It's really nice.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Awesome. All those products that you see here come with a sheath, so they're equipped to kind of like put them in your camper, have them live in the kitchen, like wherever you want and wherever your life sees fit for those knives, just put them there. In addition, all those knives are fully customizable, so you can choose what steel, what handle, like whatever you want. You just go to our website and then you can customize them from the get-go. Inline wise, that's the Maple Valley. They also come in a like darker black blade and in a OD green handle setup. I think one more cool aspect about like all our product, but I'll run you through kind of like with the kitchen product here, is our LifeSharp program. That means all our product comes with a lifelong warranty, and with that warranty, it's included that you get them resharpened for life. That means whenever you think they're getting a little dull or they're not kind of like performing as you want anymore, you just ship them back to our factory. We tune them up completely for free and ship them back to you. So all this product is available at benchmade.com. You just click through. There's much more. We're just looking at the kitchen cutlery here. It's like everything you see back on this wall is available on the website as well. If we're specifically talking LifeSharp, so you are an owner of a Benchmade product already, you have a little QR code here in the booth, or you go to benchmade/lifesharp.com and you'll get taken care of.